Uh, that is something I would say where Lehigh would come as a negative side, because Lehigh doesn't actually offers any kind of TA, RA. I would totally restrict this to industrial engineering department. Other departments definitely offer master's students or graduate folks TA, RA. The reason why industrial engineers or like people like us who come for masters in industrial engineering doesn't get TA, RA is because, as I mentioned earlier, we have a huge PhD population inside our department. So you can imagine, out of 1,200 folks every year in terms of graduate body, 600 are PhD, and those 600 doesn't rotate every year. Those remain stagnant for 3 or 5 years. So that's where the funding mostly goes to PhDs, which is always the case. So that's where I would say my answer is there is very high difficulty in terms of getting TA and RA. Couple of folks have got RA positions, but it is not like a typical research. It is more about, like as I mentioned earlier, there are informs body which conduct research on specific areas. But having said that, there is a particular, I don't know whether people who have researched about Lehigh have come across this, there is a particular enterprise systems center, which is like the hotspot for industrial engineers in terms of Lehigh. So if I give a background, it is Enterprise Systems Center is a kind of a small entrepreneurship wing, which has been started from our alum, who have been graduated like 30 years, 40 years back, who have got industrial experience and have come back to the university and started this venture wherein they would go out to different companies around Lehigh in search of jobs that master students can complete and give it out to them. So what that technically means is it's a consulting business wherein you are hired as a consultant, wherein you go out and do solve problems for the industry. I myself was part of 2 such projects, which helped me immensely in terms of getting a job, be it internship or being full-time. And in terms of career-wise, if you see this aspect, I would rate it higher than a TA or an RA, because it's an actual industry experience that's coming under your belt. Work study, again, it again goes to the undergrads. The grad people doesn't get to work study. This is across all grad folks I'm talking about. I want to rectify or rather clarify that TA and RA difficulty is only for industrial engineering department, but mechanical, electrical, and all other engineering departments have plenty of TA and RA. And work study tends to go towards the undergrad folks. Total cost of education, if I'm sure it would have been increased by now, but my total cost of education was $40,000, which is like, if I calculate it, is about 28 lakhs. But the best part, and this is tuition fees, since we are talking about cost of education here, so the tuition fee is the only cost that actually you pay at Lehigh if you are actually looking out for jobs and want to do a job at Lehigh. Because as I mentioned, this Enterprise Systems Center where you get industry projects, it's a paid project wherein you get paid hourly at $15 an hour, and there are other part-time opportunities or part-time jobs where in library or in like cafe, that is also in abundance. And as I mentioned earlier, 100% placement from my batch. At the same time, I would say there was a 100% part-time placement within the first 6 months.